Hello everyone, you are welcome on Flexure. Today we will discuss all important point about Hermite differential equations. So firstly we move on our motivational thought, then we will discuss our topic. So our motivational thought is कभी कभी सफ़र ज़्यादा खूबसूरत होता है मंजिल से. So we will start. Let's start. Our topic is Hermite differential equation. This is standard form of Hermite differential equation. Double derivative of y with respect to x minus of 2x dy by dx plus 2ny equal to 0. Here n is positive integers. Solutions of this equation is, it is denoted by h and x is equal to -1 power n into exponential power x square into derivative nth derivative with respect to x function of exponential power minus of x square. How to remember? Outside is plus and inside is minus, so you remember it. This equations is nth order. Now used in how to use these equations and where it is used. Used in 1D harmonic oscillators. We know that potential of 1D harmonic oscillators is 1 by 2 kx square. Here k is constant and x is our create perturbations, means disturbance, creating disturbance. Now wave functions. Wave function is a into exponential minus of alpha square x square divided by 2 into h and alpha x. Here Hermite function is alpha and x. Alpha square is equal to m omega by h cut. This term also used in quantum mechanics. Now other use of Hermite functions is Hermite differential equations is check parity of wave functions, check node of wave functions. Now we find important result of solutions. Now in solutions we put n is equal to 0, then we get this result. When we put n is equal to 1, then we get these results, and n is equal to 2, then we get this result. These are very important results for solving numerical problem. Then we use direct, and our solution is very easy ways. Now other functions, other results are when we use n is equal to 3, then result is 8x cube minus 12x. For n is equal to 2, 4x square minus of 2, n is equal to 1 is equal to 2x, and n is equal to 2 n is equal to 0, then h and x is equal to 1. Now property about this differential equations. When h and x is even, if n is even, h and x is odd, h and x means solutions of differential equations, n is odd. Solution, how to find a node of these equations? Our term represent here below subscript n. This is notations of node. Here represent n, then n nodes in our functions. Now wave functions. Even parity when n is even, odd parity when n is odd. Now again, generating functions of Hermite polynomials. We know about how to find generating function and how to use generating functions, because we also discussed in two differential equations, Bessel's equations and Legendre equations. So you have idea about generating functions, what is generating function, what is orthonormality condition, what is shifting. So discussed about generating functions of harmonic polynomials. Exponentials powers 2xz minus z square is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to infinite summation of z power n into h n x divided by n factorial. Now orthonormality conditions is integrating minus infinite to plus infinite exponential power minus x square into hmx into hnx into dx equal to power 2 power of 2 is n into n factorial into root of pi into delta mn. Mn is represent here in these equations. Now shifting polynomials. Shifting polynomials is denoted by upper is s. It is equal to exponential power minus x square by of 2 divided by 2 power n into n factorial into root of pi whole power 1 by 2 into h and x. Now we show numerical on this formula for how to use this formula. Firstly, we shifting for orthonormality, integrating minus infinite to plus infinite hms, it is shifting hmx, hnx it is also shifting into dx is equal to delta mn and. Now use how to use this formula. We know that s3x 8x cube minus of 12x, this is used here, so we get result this is used here, means root of n2 power is n into n factorial into root of pi whole power 1 by 2. This term is after solving we get root of 48 into root of pi, this is hnx h3x, so we get result this h3 x for shifting is equal to exponential power minus x square by of 2 divided by root of 48 into root of pi into 3x square minus of 12x. It is used in simple way. Only use result, then we easily get our solutions or result. So in this lecture we discussed all important point about these differential equations. So if you like this channel, you subscribe and like also. So today, thank you for watching.